Hey friends, these super crispy chicken wings baked in the oven are delicious and easy to make at home. Serve them with these two sauces, a mango pili and cilantro mint. For this recipe, I'm using 4 pounds chicken wings that I opened from a bag, laid them on a sheet pan with a wire rack on top, and then left them to air dry. As the wings continue to air dry, add the spice rub into this small bowl. I will share the recipe in the description box. Baking powder, salt, black pepper. Combine this. The baking powder helps with the crispiness, and you end up with this mix. Now we'll bring back the chicken wings. I'll put on some gloves here and then move these wings into this bowl. I will give them one more pat. The drier the wings are, the more crispier they will be. Now sprinkle this mix onto the wings. Just toast them slightly. Sprinkle some more. Now set this aside. I will bring back the wire rack and just lay these wings right on top. At this point you can separate the drumettes and the flats. So these are the drumettes and these are the flats. So just drop them flat, make them there in one layer. I don't have to be. We'll have these wings rest for about 30 minutes or so. Meanwhile, I'll set the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean some of this mess. As the wings air dry, I have a small pan here. 1 mango that I'm going to peel to start the the mango pili sauce. All the meat or the mango flesh. Now just roughly chop this. Very tasty mango. So these mangoes will go into this small pot. Zest of half a lemon, and then I'll squeeze the juice. Then I need some zest here for another recipe, so I'll hold it in this zester. So save that. Cut this. Then squeeze the juice. Add half of this juice into the pot. Save the other juice. Chili powder. This is pili sauce. I will share the link actually in the description box for how to make pili sauce. Very spicy, very flavorful. This will give us a very good kick and complement the chili powder. Some salt. Black pepper. Rice wine vinegar. Honey. This pot goes onto the stove. Cook until the mangoes are softened, and then we are going to run them through a blender. In the meanwhile, the oven has just come to temp, so I'm going to pop in these wings. Cook for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to turn them. Now chop cilantro and mint. I've already pre-washed this. Then chop some of this cilantro. I will save these stems for cooking. All this goes into this small bowl here. Add the reserved lemon zest, the lemon juice, some salt, black pepper, plain yogurt, mayo. Bring all this together. Set this aside just to bring all the flavors together. Now wait for the mango sauce to finish cooking. Now these wings have been baking for around 15 minutes. A turn each one of them. Just a quick oil spray. This will encourage the browning. We will turn them again and spray the other side and then finish cooking. Back into the oven for about 10 minutes. Now bring a blender. The mangoes are softened. Transfer the mangoes into the blender bowl. Be careful not to close this too tight because this is hot. This is good consistency. That's what you want to see. Has a very good kick. Transfer this. So there you go. Our two sauces done. Our mango pili and our cilantro mint. Now all we do is just wait for the chicken wings to get done. Give this a turn. Now just a final spray of some oil. Now bring these wings back into the oven. There you go. Our crispy chicken wings are done. Listen to that. No fryer involved. Just can't wait to enjoy these crispy chicken wings with our two sauces. First, get some of this yogurt, a touch of our mango pili. Get one of the wings, a drumette, looks good. Look at that, it's cooked so nicely. You can actually toast the sauce with the wings. Wow. Try with the yogurt. Seems like I can eat the whole thing by myself. You need enough napkins to enjoy these wings. Just have plenty of them by your side. So there you have it, friends, our easy to make baked in the oven chicken wings with these two sauces, the pili and the yogurt sauce with mint and cilantro, as very super delicious. This is a perfect starter for your parties or even for snacking, or just make it for your family or yourself and you're going to enjoy it. Please just remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. We'll appreciate it very much. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I will see you in the next one.
Thank you.